This new engine will destroy the entire EV industry. The CEO of Toyota believes that the company's new water-powered engine has the potential to upend the electric vehicle market. Hydrogen can be used as fuel in the engine by using electrolysis to separate it from water. We'll go over the main features of this brand new water-powered engine in this video. Number 5. Real-time electrolysis. The revolutionary process of real-time electrolysis radically alters the production and application of hydrogen in automobiles. Conventional hydrogen fuel cell systems require the generation and storage of hydrogen beforehand, usually through energy-intensive processes and infrastructure investments. But Toyota's water-powered engine gets around these problems by electrolyzing hydrogen on the spot. Water turns into its elemental components, hydrogen and oxygen, when an electric current is applied to it. This allows the engine to use these gases when they are needed for combustion. This on-demand hydrogen generation optimizes the vehicle's weight distribution while also improving efficiency. Improved aerodynamics and handling can be achieved by simplifying the vehicle's design by doing away with the bulky, high-pressure hydrogen tanks. In order to power the electrolysis process, this system can also be integrated with renewable energy sources like solar or wind turbines. With this integration, the car may be able to generate its own fuel from renewable energy sources, which would further lessen its dependency on fossil fuels and its carbon footprint. Customers who care about the environment might be drawn to such a self-sustaining energy model, which would also advance more general sustainability objectives. Furthermore, the electrolysis process in real time creates opportunities for sophisticated energy management systems inside the car. For example, the engine could optimize performance in real time by dynamically adjusting its hydrogen production based on driving conditions. This flexibility maximizes energy efficiency while improving the driving experience and increases the vehicle's responsiveness to the needs of the use roads. Number 4. Near zero emissions. Toyota's water-powered engine has almost zero emissions, which is a big step forward in the search for greener modes of transportation. Conventional internal combustion engines are well known for their detrimental emissions of particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and carbon dioxide, which contribute to air pollution. Numerous environmental and health problems, such as respiratory illnesses and climate change, are associated with these emissions. The water-powered engine, on the other hand, is a very clean alternative because it generates only water vapor as a byproduct of combustion. This emission profile supports international efforts to mitigate climate change in addition to addressing the pressing issues of air quality. Adoption of automobiles that emit no harmful emissions when in use can greatly improve urban air quality as cities struggle with pollution. Additionally, because the engine runs on water, which is a plentiful and non-toxic resource, it can be used in a variety of environments without raising the same regulatory issues as traditional fuels. Furthermore, the advantages for the environment go beyond how the car runs. Significant environmental costs are associated with the production of lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles, including the extraction of rare earth metals and energy-intensive manufacturing procedures that increase greenhouse gas emissions. The water-powered engine lessens the overall environmental impact of fuel production and vehicle operation by using water as a fuel source. This all-encompassing approach to sustainability may strike a chord with both lawmakers and consumers, increasing demand for greener modes of transportation. Number 3. Simplified refueling. One of the main obstacles to the widespread use of alternative fuel vehicles is the ease with which Toyota's water-powered engine can be refueled. This engine enables drivers to simply refill their tanks with distilled water, in contrast to hydrogen fuel cell vehicles that depend on a limited network of refueling infrastructure or electric vehicles that require access to specialized charging stations. This simplicity lowers the entry barriers for consumers thinking about switching from traditional gasoline vehicles and greatly improves convenience for regular users. Drivers of electric vehicles often experience range anxiety, which can be lessened by the convenience of refueling with water. Since most places have access to water, drivers can easily refuel without looking for charging stations or infrastructure specifically designed for hydrogen refueling. This availability might facilitate the switch to alternative fuel cars more smoothly, especially in areas with sparse or non-existent infrastructure for charging. Additionally, the technology may be more widely accepted by consumers who may be reluctant to adopt electric vehicles because of worries about charging availability and times if they can use a common resource like water. This feature might further increase the appeal of the water-powered engine by promoting the creation of decentralized refueling options like home refueling systems. By simplifying the refueling process, Toyota could significantly broaden the market for this innovative technology, making it a more attractive option for consumers looking for sustainable alternatives to traditional fuels. Number 2. Cost-effective and safe storage. Compared to conventional fuel storage techniques, Toyota's water-powered engine storage options offer a number of advantages. In addition to being widely accessible and reasonably priced, water is also intrinsically safer to store than hydrogen or gasoline. Because hydrogen is flammable and high-pressure gas has risks, storing it requires high-pressure tanks and advanced safety precautions. Water, on the other hand, can be kept in straightforward low-pressure tanks without raising the same safety issues, which makes it a more sensible choice for both producers and customers. Vehicles with the water engine may have reduced overall production costs as a result of this economical storage option. By avoiding the costly materials and technologies needed for hydrogen storage, manufacturers may be able to pass savings along to customers. Because water storage is so straightforward, manufacturers can simplify their production procedures, which lowers complexity and boosts manufacturing efficiency. The logistical aspects of storing and distributing fuel also get cheaper and simpler. There is no need for specialized refueling stations because water can be easily transported and stored using existing infrastructure. As a result, the technology may be adopted more widely since it makes fuel distribution logistics easier to handle for both producers and customers. Because of its safety, affordability, and ease of logistics, the water-powered engine is a very appealing substitute in the automotive industry. Additionally, this technology is more flexible because it can store water in different ways like tanks or even the vehicle's current water systems. This versatility might make it possible to create creative car designs that subtly integrate water storage, improving both the exterior and interior design. A new era of safe, effective, and user-friendly transportation may be ushered in by Toyota's water-powered engine, which solves the problems related to fuel storage. Number 1. Performance potential. Toyota is a strong competitor in the automotive industry thanks to its water-powered engine's remarkable performance capabilities. With the capacity to produce up to 3 times as much energy in megajoules as gasoline, the engine is built to match or even surpass the energy output of traditional gasoline engines. Range anxiety and performance are two of the biggest concerns for consumers, and this high energy density translates into longer driving ranges and superior acceleration. Performance enthusiasts often seek out the engine's level of responsiveness, which adds to the driving experience. The engine can deliver instant torque and power on demand. Driving the car becomes more enjoyable as a result of the instantaneous power delivery, which can result in faster acceleration times. Incorporating cutting-edge technologies like energy recovery systems and regenerative braking could also boost performance and efficiency by enabling the car to recover energy that would otherwise be lost when braking. This engine could be a huge step forward in accomplishing the industry's twin goals of high performance and sustainability, which are becoming more and more important. Toyota's water-powered engine has the potential to appeal to a wide spectrum of customers, including high-performance enthusiasts and drivers who are concerned about the environment, by fusing eco-friendliness with remarkable performance metrics. This twofold attraction may hasten the uptake of this groundbreaking technology and usher in a new era of environmentally friendly transportation. In conclusion, Toyota's water-powered engine offers a number of cutting-edge features that have the potential to completely transform the automotive industry by providing a high-performing, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly substitute for conventional fuel technologies. Every one of these features not only makes the car more attractive and useful, but it also fits in with the larger automotive industry trends toward environmental responsibility and sustainability. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.